get some of my little buddies some nuts, a whole bunch of nuts I got, all natural. Very nice walk today. Also trying to think about what I'm gonna eat tonight. I almost feel like chicken teriyaki, but it just takes so long to make. So maybe some soup or something. Tom kha soup, that sounds really good. I think I got one here. Oh, two of them. And I shall name you Sir Eats-a-Lot, upside down. Oh, we got another one now. This one seems a little squirrely. I think he sees the nuts in my hands. Here, buddy. Yep, that's Squirrelio. Well, that was a success. I think I'll leave him alone now. Enjoy the day, everybody. Go for a walk.